Lordy have mercy, Jesus.
Yo, easy meal.
Oh, he got a whole hookah.
Huh?
Did he say easy milk? Marcus, you're reaching on that one. No, he did not say this boy looking like Easy Meal. That is crazy. Marcus, he needs to get laid or something. Why is he always so horny, man? What the fuck? Do you need a Pornhub subscription, Marcus T? I know you can afford it. Let me stop. Yo, what's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and I hope you guys are having a safe, wonderful, glorious, fantastic day. I am your host, C-Bear Reacts, and I am back with a brand spanking new requested reaction video for you guys today. So I am back with my boy Marcus T. Daddy is back on the YouTube scene, if you know what I mean. Welcome back, Marcus T. I heard the bad news last week. Unfortunately, apparently his initial channel got deleted, and he's back with another channel. This one is Marcus T Official. I watched the video that he posted last week addressing the situation. He didn't really go into details on which videos got him in trouble, so from here on in I definitely have to be more cautious of reacting to his videos, because obviously his videos are attached to my videos. But yeah, with that being said, Marcus T, welcome back. It is good to have you back. Hopefully you can be a lot more careful with this channel. Hopefully you can get your subscribers back on this channel from your last channel. I guess we'll see. Just be patient, stay positive, keep your head to the sky, keep doing your thing, keep grinding. As you guys can see, I am in a new setup. This is my gaming setup. The reason why I'm using this setup is because I'm using my webcam. My webcam is really reliable on recording longer videos, because this video is half an hour. So just in case you guys are wondering why I am in a green screen, that's why, y'all. So anyways, hopefully it doesn't bother you guys that much. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and dive into this video. Today I'll be checking out how to get girls with just a silver play button on Omegle, featuring your boy Marcus T, aka Daddy. I'm actually still waiting for my plaque, YouTube. I've been over 100K the past 2 years, and I still have not gotten mine. I have not received mine yet. Like, the discrimination is real as fuck, y'all. Like, YouTube is on that ish. Where is my plaque? I'm just playing. It's just a plaque. I don't care, y'all. It means nothing to me. I mean, it would be nice to have one, but you know, it's materialistic. I don't care, y'all. I don't care. So anyways, without any further ado, we're gonna be here for a while. It's half an hour. Get your snacks, get your soda, get your popcorn, and let's go, y'all. All right, here we go. Let's play.
Oh, threesome. Summer.
There he go, talking about some threesomes. That's a damn shame. Oh, there he go. Look at that. See, that's probably why you got your channel deleted in the first place, Marcus T, talking about some threesomes and stuff. And there you go again. Hold on. Be careful, man. For your fans' sake and for my sake, because your content is top notch. All right. Be careful, bruh. Don't leave us again. All right. Stop it. No, keep doing your thing. I'm just playing. I'm just playing.
Wait a second.
Oh shit.
Yo, YouTube fam, I miss you so
Yo.
much. I know it's been a while that I haven't posted a video. These past few weeks.
Understandable.
Was so hard for me. Number one reason was
No need to
my
explain.
main channel got deleted. But hey.
Oh, 626K. Wow. Okay.
And I'm changing my content this time. I will go back to
Changing your content.
singing reactions. Yeah.
Oh. I've been asking for music for the longest time anyway.
Can I sing a beautiful song for you?
Go for it.
Yeah, absolutely. Yep.
Serenade your boy.
It's for the girl with the hoodie, okay?
The girl with the hoodie.
Thank you.
The unnamed.
Habang bata pa sa damuhan magkabulan.
Oh, he playing too much, man. He's looking fresh to death. I like the flannel with the flame on the sleeve. I like the bandana, the famous bandana, of course. You know, he's looking mighty fresh. He cleans up pretty well. He got ice too. I see that. Go on with your bad self, Marcus T. He playing too much though.
Hell no.
Oh. He said singing reactions. Hell no. What? Oh, he's going back to the same old, same old.
Singing reactions? Hell no.
Hell to the no. Oh, look at this intro though. It's fire. I like the comic book style.
No, the girl.
He getting them upgrades though. Oh, there he go. Marcus T. Oh, he got a community. It's gonna be like that, Marcus T.
Oh,
Hey.
what's up, Mamacita?
Why is she so close to the ceiling though?
Can you put the...
What is going on with this? Is she in the attic or something? Why is she so close to the ceiling though? What the fuck is going on?
cat down?
She's kind of twerking at the moment.
Nah, can you put the cat away? Okay, yeah, better. Yes, thank you. Cat.
Oh,
You're
that.
like...
See, there he go. Violation again. That's why he getting in trouble with YouTube. I know what you're trying to do, Marcus T. You're trying to be slick. I see you. And she's probably going along with it too.
Sit properly. Just
Wow.
sit properly. Just want to talk to you.
No, she's all right, man.
Keep
Like,
your hands away. You know?
you doing the most. Oh my God, man. He is doing the most. He is doing the most. See, look at that. Violation. Stop, Marcus T. Acting like you never seen some knockers before.
I'm talking about.
I'll see something. This is my shark. His name is Diego. I used him as a pillow last week.
He don't want to see none of that. He want to see what's behind. Exactly. Duh.
I'm just playing.
Girl, you crazy.
I got one question though.
Yeah.
How do you walk with those?
With my
Wow,
legs,
man.
Actually, I don't walk.
Durr. There you go.
Your legs are broken, probably.
Marcus, shut up. Oh shit, she's ready to fight somebody. Street fight. Round one. So you can. Hodoken. Oh, she got some hands though. And she kind of cute though. Oh my God, what is that a fanboy? Oh, we got a fanboy on deck. Oh, he didn't snatch the half. Oh, lordy. Marcus T fans be crazy though.
This is Marcus T. Bro, you're Marcus T, right?
Oh, he tried it.
Marcus T.
Marcus T.
Yeah, Marcus T.
Oh, you like who the fuck? How do you not know Marcus T, man?
For me to know that you're the...
How do you not know Marcus T? Marcus T is the man. Marcus T is daddy. How do you not know Marcus T? What kind of question is that? Everybody know Marcus T.
real Marcus
Marcus T is the place to be.
Hey, daddy.
You know? Oh, that was corny. I'm sorry. It's not.
Hey, what's up, daddy?
Oh, he. Oh. Oh, Marcus T like that?
I'm actually from India.
Lies.
Oh,
Cap.
Yeah, I'm Indian.
wow.
Oh, shit. Oh, she's about to skip.
Skip me?
Yep.
Oh.
And
Excuses.
you're like, hi, how are you? And I'm
Yo, wait.
Uh-uh.
So you're talking to me right now.
She's trying to skip your boy Marcus T. How you gonna skip all that, man? Look at the freshness on the screen, girl. Do you not see the freshness that is Marcus T? Girl, you got problems, girl.
And you're also talking with another guy on your phone.
Oh,
Girl, you need to
girl.
chill. You only need one man.
Marcus, you the one who talking to all these girls. What you talking about? She needs just one man. You be talking to all these girls, talking about some threesomes. Now you need to chill out. Oh, we got an ad.
Live streaming in your
Yeah, with these ads, in regards to these ads, if they are longer than a minute and a half, I'm gonna have to skip them. If they are under that, I will definitely play them out. Actually, I'll let the longer ads play, and then I'll just like jump cut those ads so it doesn't take up the duration of the video. So
using StreamYard, I highly recommend that you give it a shot so that you can see how
StreamYard. I've used that once. It was the trial one though. It works pretty good though. It works pretty good.
with Kaiser University, I feel like I'm exactly where I need
Yeah,
to
let's just one play.
I like the one.
Hey, shout out to Kaiser University. Class of 2012. Hey, graphic design associates. I might go back for my bachelor's.
I feel very supported, like I have a
Maybe next year or something. I don't know.
I feel educated.
Yeah, I went to this. If you guys didn't know, I went to Kaiser University for my associate's degree in graphic design, computer graphics and design.
100%.
So just to let you guys know, in case you wanted to know more about your boy C-Bear, that's where I went. Yep, for sure. Can I proceed? Oh, what the hell? Rafi Tofo in action. Yo, bro. Oh, is he about to expose the lady? Oh shit! Marcus T is on that savagery. She was talking to another guy while talking to me. That's a damn shame. The fuck? Cancelled.
Is this how you say hello in Kazakhstan?
Right? What?
Samael. Oh,
Hey.
Hello. You play guitar?
not really.
Apparently, because I haven't seen much of it in his videos, especially with him playing with it, you know. Like Marcus T, it better not be there for no decorations. Play a little something, Marcus T. Come on, for the ladies. Serenade the ladies for a little bit.
Oh. That's sad, because I wanted you to play me something.
Right.
Is it okay? Like it's just an okay song, not really like
Yeah.
what you're expecting it to be.
No, you gotta do better than that. No.
Bad, so
Oh shit, girl. Next.
Oh, yo,
Oh, the audacity, girl. Ooh, girl.
oh.
Why you still here, Marcus? She tried it. Come on, Marcus. Show him what you got. Come on, man. Cause I've been waiting for the longest time.
Oh wait, I'm just.
That's not what I asked for, Marcus. Violation number 2. Marcus T, you gonna make me lose my mind. There he go again. Hold on. All right. Nasty. Oh, Lordy.
Fly me to the moon, let me play. You like that? You like that? Oh, you didn't. Oh, you didn't like.
Violation number 3. 3 strikes, you're out, Marcus T. God dang. Golly. Marcus T is always trying it.
Yep.
Wow. I mean, at least he played a little something.
Yo, what's up?
He got them edits though. Mad respect. Hey. Oh. We got some stoners. Some statues. Oh, there you go. Clout chasing.
Oh wait,
Oh, he about to bust out the.
like this one?
There they go. Clout chasing head asses. Oh my god, can I get a shout out on my Instagram? Like, hold on.
Wait, is this?
There they go.
Wait.
Uh-uh.
Are you filming?
Put your phones down. That's a damn shame. Clout chasing.
Do you filming a video right now?
Mm-mm-mm.
Do you?
Say no, Marcus.
No, please.
Uh-uh. KSI.
Can I?
What is
Is that your sister?
looking like a deer in
Your
headlights?
sisters, right?
Yeah, right.
Yes.
Why do you guys look like you're being held as hostage?
Especially that one on the right. Oh my god.
Are you guys okay?
Yes.
Okay. In case
Marcus,
in case
don't.
you're not okay, I'm gonna call the cops. Okay. Hello, police officer.
Oh, we didn't call it.
The girl in black stole my heart. Yeah.
What? The fuck, Marcus? He needs to sit down. Let's just let this one play. He is getting a bag. He's gonna be a gazillionaire after this video is done, especially with all these ads. I'm playing for Marcus. He deserves it, so I'm gonna let him play. Get that money though. We all gotta eat, right? We all gotta eat, especially during this time in this pandemic, y'all. We gotta eat. All right. What's your Instagram? What's your name? I like the fro.
And while words cannot describe it, numbers can. And that feeling of success.
Excuse me.
Forward one step at a time makes you.
We got 2 ads in this one.
Every step your business takes.
Hopefully the second one is not too bad. Hopefully. Give me like a minute and a half. All right, that's good. So how y'all doing? How's the pandemic treating y'all? How's life out there in the YouTube world? Let me know. Let me know. Life is going pretty good. You know, I'm staying positive for the most part. I haven't really been going out that much. I'm pretty much a homebody, you know, so I don't really go out. I mean, occasionally I go out to the park just to work out, get some cardio in, but other than that, I just stay in the house and just like do reaction videos and work on some projects and stuff. So, all right, I just paid Marcus. He got a paycheck. Definitely. I also don't know why I skipped him. Marcus.
I don't have a filter right now, but
You don't need one. What you talking about?
look at the quality of that.
Oh, he got that glow.
Yeah, look at that, daddy.
See, I give you a compliment and then you just gonna. Marcus, he needs to get laid. Why is he always so horny, man? What the fuck? Do you need a Pornhub subscription, Marcus T? I know you can afford it. Let me stop. Let me.
No, but
I'm so
a
dumb.
word from our sponsor.
Oh, you got them sponsorships. I hear some vocals. Oh, that's. Oh, I'm thinking that was Marcus singing.
There are a lot of people in the comment section that are asking me about what skincare or what do I use on my face, because I feel like I have a daddy face.
You play too much.
I'm using Noah, bro. I'm using
Noah.
So this is the story. Okay, I found
Noah,
out
bro.
this
Hold on.
Daddy face.
Stupid.
I'm using Noah, bro.
Noah. Oil regulator. Okay. Oil regulator. Oh, it's kind of blurry though. Face bar. I don't know what that says though. Yeah, I've been getting a few sponsorships, but honestly, I've kind of rejected them because they're not really products that I use particularly. If I get a toothpaste sponsorship, I will definitely use the hell out of that. I will promote the hell out of that, y'all, because got them pearly whites, you know. Just saying. Just saying, y'all. But yeah, I haven't really been getting a lot though. I've been getting a few, not a lot.
Okay, I found out about this
Chito Miranda? What? Chito what?
The Bisaya guy who has a lot of tattoos. So he promoted this skincare of his, and I'm like, oh yeah, sure. Then I tried it. So it's been a while that I'm using this product, and you can see the result. Oh wait.
He's feeling himself too much.
The founder of Noah, no, bro, I'm not joking. The founder of Noah messaged me on Instagram. They said he's been watching my videos, and at that time he watched all of my videos for like 2 hours, and I was like,
so what? You're supposed to be a celebrity now, Marcus D?
the product that I'm using.
That's what's up.
Damn, son.
But listen, if you click the link down below, you will get 100 pesos off. Okay? That's okay, right?
Oh.
It's good.
But Noah actually gave me enough money so that I could also give back to my viewers.
Oh.
So the first
So
5
sweet.
people
Such a sweetheart.
click the link and buy a product, the bundle. The bundle. The first 5 people, you will get a chance to win 5,000 pesos. 5,000 pesos.
Let me get that link out on.
5,000 pesos.
It's probably too late anyways. Let me That's a lot of, that's like the lottery. I'm just It's too late. Cause he posted this video like last week. So I am definitely late.
So go ahead and click the link in the description.
There you
Anyways, what's the guitar in the back doing?
decorations. Cause he don't play it. Play something.
So you should pick it up and play it for me.
Exactly. The girl got a point. Stop procrastinating. Oh, hey, we got a cosplayer. What happened to the other girl? What the fuck, Marcus? How come? What happened to the other girl? Why you skip? I thought you were gonna play something. Are you hiding something? I want to hear some music, man.
Oh yes, daddy.
It's an honor to meet 02 in real life. Hey, what's up?
Hi.
Are you my?
I love
Are you my darling?
Ouch.
you. Yes.
Then please say darling in 02's voice. Can you do that?
Daddy. Daddy.
Hey, that accuracy though.
Oh yes,
Daddy.
Oh.
It must have taken him a long time to get these captions on there.
Okay. How about this one?
Yeah, these subtitles must have taken him a long time. I put subtitles in my videos, like different languages. Whenever somebody from a different country is trying to understand what I'm saying, I definitely put subtitles in my videos so they can understand my English. So when I do it, it takes about like, let's say if I do a video that's 10 minutes long, I talk a lot sometimes, so it definitely takes a long time. It would take like probably 15 hours tops to add subtitles to a 10-minute video. You know, so I can definitely imagine this is 30 minutes. So I can imagine this took him like maybe a day or two to put together. I don't know. Maybe he's a lot faster than me. I don't know. I don't know.
Your turn.
There you go.
Oh, okay. Yo, this is a battle.
Is she biting her nails? What? What? Y'all are some dorks.
Okay,
I'm a dork too, so I can't complain. So.
you look behind you.
She got a set of keys.
You just drop your crown.
Marcus.
No. Yes, please. Yes, please.
Yo, look at these edits. Mad props to the edits, Marcus. Oh my god. Oh lordy. Epilepsy. Hold on. Calm down the epilepsy.
Wait, what's your name?
Tone down the edits, man. Lordy have mercy, Jesus.
Yo, easy meal.
Oh, he got a whole hookah.
Huh?
Did he say easy meal? Marcus, you're reaching on that one. No, he did not say this boy looking like easy meal. That is crazy. Well, from the profile, no. He got a whole hookah. Marcus, you are reaching. No, I don't see no easy meal in that guy. But if Marcus says so, I guess. I don't know. Damn, alright. Oh, they back? What y'all doing? Oh. Ew. You gonna get some tonight, Marcus? What's up with all these ads? Okay, I know I skipped her before, but now I'm not letting her go. Go get you some, Marcus T. Oh! Wow. They'll come back. They always come back to Marcus T, right?
Yeah, I can see you.
How many fingers am I holding? 2.
Marcus, don't be smart.
No, you're not supposed to see me, bro.
Why?
Because only cute guys can see me.
Why are you gay?
Why are you gay?
Hello, brother. I'm not your brother, bro.
What's up, bro?
Bro, you're my brother, bro. Don't call me bro. Yeah, I call you bro.
This bromance is just...
Bro.
What he doing? Keanu Reeves head ass?
Hey, I can see your
Oh, girl. Violation number 100. Look at that. Well, Marcus T, it was nice knowing you, bro. I mean, it's time for a third channel. Look at that. She got her V all in the screen. Like, wow. She is chilling too. Like, she don't give up. It's in your face, dude. Like, and you know the way Marcus is, he gonna be saying something about that. I know what he's about to say about that situation. See? I mean, it's all out there anyway, so I don't blame him. Marcus T. Oh.
Is this happening?
You gotta force him. Oh shit. She.
I'm still alive.
Is that Daddy? Yeah, I am digging that flannel on Marcus T though.
No, you're so cute.
Why are you guys hiding?
Right.
I don't know.
Oh, the girl in front looks so chunky. Hey, what's up?
Oh! How does he get away with saying this stuff, man? How? Is there magic in that bandana or something? Is that a magical bandana? Is it a bandana? Cause golly.
Yeah, chunky. Like,
what's that?
Oh, Marcus.
Do you hear our English? Does it
You sound pretty good.
sound good? No.
Yes.
it's okay.
You all right?
Beautiful. Shut up.
Oh, thank you very much.
He's so disrespectful, but oh, they got the angle though. I know where Marcus T is looking. They had to make sure they got the angle on that one.
Oh, wait. How old are you guys?
18.
Hey, what's up?
I don't really fuck with nobody. Now they all mad and can't stop and give a fuck if you got me. Bitch, I still.
Hey, see that?
Hey,
Uh-oh.
where are you guys going? No, cause you guys.
Oh, she got a little attitude on the left. See? What?
Be you.
What you say, boy? You better watch your
How are you guys?
you better be careful with your words.
Fine. What about you?
How old are you?
Huh?
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 How old are you guys?
I'm 16.
Hey.
Look, it was a man. He was a like boy. He said that he would do a magic trick.
And then he showed you his penis.
No. And then you showed the card.
I try to save your channel, Marcus T. I try to warn you, but violation number 1. Marcus, you gonna make me lordy. I mean, at least he censored the words out, but he's still saying it though. But because YouTube is very, very strict nowadays, so you definitely got to be very extra careful with what you say. So, all right, Marcus. Hopefully, this video will survive.
Who asked?
Oh,
Hi.
how does he get away with this stuff?
Ooh, oh, I get it.
You get what?
Come on. What?
Was that Tagalog?
You're the guys in my dreams. I'm still dreaming. I knew it.
Mm-mm. And they still fall for it too. That's crazy.
Okay, where is this?
That's
this
crazy.
going? Are we gonna do a threesome this time?
Not-
in my dreams?
See? See, that's what happened.
Hello.
What's up?
I forgot how to say hello in Swedish. Fuck. Teach me.
Hey.
Oh.
Hey.
Wait, it's kind of like the same though.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Oh, I like the way you say yo. Hey. What are your names?
Hanbeck is over here.
Stop pointing at her. I'm talking to you.
Oh, there's a third one.
Put the camera back to her, please.
Oh, hell no. He basically just called these two girls ugly. Because he didn't react like that when he saw those two. Wow. I'm just playing. Let me get off Marcus's case. I'm just playing.
How can a goddess be so shy? Come on, girl. Shut up and show your face. Yogi Escade.
Marcus.
What's her name? Lena Hallbag.
Lena Hallbag.
Oh, I'm gonna do Lena Hall at your bag, girl. Yo, I don't know what I said, but I guess they know what I mean. Lena Hall at your bag, girl. What the
fuck?
Oh no, I'm just joking.
There you go with your ass again, Marcus T. Getting them paychecks. Getting them fat ass paychecks from your boy, Seabear Reacts. You know. So yeah, Marcus T. These edits are really, really clean. I like these edits. But that epilepsy one is kind of a little bit too crazy for my taste. A little bit. Like, hold on, wait a minute.
How would you like to have?
It's like stocks. I have invested into Bitcoin last month. I put in $10 in well, not last month, 2 months ago. I invested $10, and then 2 months later, I got like $50. But you got to be careful because they definitely will tax you on that. It's not like free money, so be careful when you invest in stocks. Make sure you educate yourself before you invest.
You can get into it. When Toby and everyone started this Infinity thing years ago, I was like, this is like, I'm on board. You tell me when to be there.
Alrighty, people.
What to do. This is a concept. I'm
So technologic.
Process and opening these doors for people.
Anderson Legal Business and Tax Advisors. Interesting. Last and final ad. Can we get back? There we go.
Lena, I'm sorry.
Ouch.
I was just joking.
What is your name?
Daddy, don't lie.
My name is Marcus, but the girl in the middle can call me anytime.
Oh. That was smooth. That was smooth.
I'm sorry.
Smoother than the baby's bottom. I'll give him that. He got that one. He got that one. He got that one. Oh, he's too young to be doing all that stuff. Oh, is that Jesus Christ?
In Ometv, bro.
Yeah, he got that lighting. Is that Jesus?
No, like pretty, like you know what I mean, man.
Oh, he said, oh.
Oh, so you're the
Oh.
humble guy, huh?
Humble.
No.
Shut up. I swear to God, I'm gonna kiss your lips right now.
Oh. He came in and he puckered his lips. He like, come on, Marcus T. Smoochy, smoochy. See? Is that Keenan?
Oh,
What? Oh, you gay? Hell to the nah. Marcus, you started it. What you talking about? Hell no.
Hey. What's your name?
Evelyn. What's yours?
Evelyn.
Why she sounds so robotic?
I'm Marcus, but you can call me anytime. You know what I mean?
Not again. It worked the first time, but the second time, and you still got him though. So I'm gonna give you that again. But just because you're Marcus, see, I'm gonna give you that again. But
Ring, ring, call me, ring, ring.
he got the swag. Hey. All right, Marcus T, do your thing. Marcus T is back.
Oh shit.
Who's your daddy?
Yeah, have a great day.
What?
Hi.
What are they?
Yes. Oh, hey. How do you guys speak English?
Yeah.
How do you when a Russian?
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, she left you dry like some laundry on a clothesline.
Oh, no cry. Please, no cry.
Wow.
Okay.
She left your ass out to
A
dry.
Russian guy and a Russian woman, do something in bed.
Bye, have a great time.
Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck? What did she do? Violation number 1,000,000. They and hey, that's my jam.
Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful.
Marcus T, this video is gonna be deleted. Oh, she ain't catching COVID today.
Do you speak English? Are you really Korean? 안녕하세요. Hey, what's up? No, I'm not Korean. I'm just
Nasty.
I just love K-drama, my favorite one.
Lies.
is that Goblin's Bride. The Goblin's Bride. The Goblin's Bride.
I don't know what that is. There you go, vocals.
I love that.
Mm-mm.
What's your name? Siyun? Siyun?
Sian.
Siyun. Do you have Instagram? Alright, can I have it?
I see another ad. Hey, Kaiser.
Like I have a family.
Damn, they must want me to go back to Kaiser. They keep showing me these ads on Kaiser University. I'll come back eventually, hopefully, next year. Damn, they want your boy to go back to school. That is crazy. Ad number 2. How do you do?
When I came out,
I'll let it play for a little bit. And then I gotta go watch my boy Marcus T do his thing with the ladies with his he hasn't even shown much of his play button. That he only showed it like once. Isn't that the title of the video? Shout out to Pride. Alright, I gotta skip. No shade, I'm not homophobic. I just gotta skip because this is too long. So I am not homophobic. I promise you. I'm not homophobic. Actually, no. No, I'll let it play. I'll let it play. I'm so undecisive. I was like, I don't want to look homophobic skipping this ad because it's like too long. But I'm gonna let it play.
I've intentionally been honest about who I am, and I would have not changed it for the world. So we can be proud of who we are. Being told that you're a piece of shit,
Preach.
not believing it is a form of resistance.
Amen. Pride docuseries official trailer. Preach it, sister. Pride. That's what's up. That's what's up. On FX, on Hulu. I'm more of a Netflix kind of a guy, so no shade to Hulu. Ad number 2. Oh, we're back. Okay. Oh, she got only 107 followers. Oh, damn. Marcus is getting some followers, though. Holy crap. He getting 100 followers every second. I'll follow you, Sion. I'll follow you back. Let me screenshot that one. She be like, who the fuck is this following me?
In Korean. Kiyowon.
Whoa.
Okay, I don't know how to say it, but I just want to say you're cute. That's it.
Oh, look at the glow. Oh, look at the glow. Oh. That's a beautiful photo op right there. You got Marcus T.
Hi.
Wait. You can see me?
What was that?
No.
What the fuck was that? Hold on. What kind of response was
You can see me?
I'm gonna have to use that clip. Let me get that clip though. Oh Lord. That was funny.
You can see me?
No, I cannot. You're a ghost.
No, I mean.
Oh, she ghosted you, bro.
You're not supposed to see me.
Why?
Because only cute girls can see me, though.
Yeah, probably. Yeah,
Ah, she didn't get it.
probably.
No, it means you're cute, dumbass.
Right.
You're cute.
Oh yes, daddy.
There you go.
Almost 20.
She looks a little bit older than that. Maybe 23, 24. Ah!
What's your name?
My name is
Shayeste.
How to say it? How to say it?
Shayeste. Pretty name?
Shayeste.
Okay, that's
Shayeste.
What?
I'm Persian.
Oh, she's exotic.
Yeah.
Exotica.
That's the first time meeting one though.
Okay. What's your mom?
Mine too.
Filipino.
Filipino. Can you speak a little bit?
Yeah. Utin. Maliit titi. Malaki titi. How about you teach?
That was not. He did a good job.
Especially the I love you. How to say I love you in your language?
We say tu sedara.
What?
Oh shit, damn. That's not what you said before.
I love you too.
No, he did not do the little chin rub again. I mean, what can I say? Marcus T, he's a very charming, handsome young man. You know, I don't blame the ladies. You know, he's a very handsome. He cleans up. He's got some style. He cleans up well. He's got the bandana. He's got the ice around the neck. He's got the, you know, so I can't hate on his game whatsoever. He's got the charm though. He got it. He got it. He got it going on. What can I say? He's daddy. He's daddy. All right.
Are you teaching me the right words?
But he's too nasty sometimes, man.
Oh no, that's not a bad word.
Okay.
It means I love you.
I love you too. Come on, stop saying that.
She's got a cute smile.
What's your
Oh.
body count?
5.
How you gonna ask him? Oh, she.
Yeah.
Oh, she even answered the. Now, how in the fuck does he get away with asking and saying these things, and they still go for it? They still fall for it. Is it a bandana or something?
My baby.
It's the charm, I know, but seriously, though. There they go again. What?
No. No, I'm not. What the loves you.
Marcus T's magnetic ass brought them back. You lying, Marcus T. You know you need more than one girl with your threesomes.
Yo, chill.
Oh, she breaking people's necks?
Yeah, sure. I can follow your Instagram.
You want to follow me too? No, he doesn't.
Oh, she's sassy.
Leia,
Yes?
can I shout out your Instagram?
Yeah, if you want to.
No, I'm not joking. 'Cause, like,
Uh-oh. Instant cloud chasers.
Baby, please follow me.
There you go.
Okay, thanks.
He got that. He got them on instant cloud chasing.
we're gonna start the relationship, right?
Yeah. And then we get married. And get
Whoa.
a lot of kids. Okay?
Whoa. Oh, she is fertile. This girl fertile. And that's it. T-shirt giveaway winners. Oh, okay, you got some merch.
Someone just told me I can't be a cop because I'm a girl and girls can't do that job.
Who the fuck told you that?
You're supposed to be in the kitchen making sandwiches. You don't need to argue with that though, because it's normal to have police women. Come on.
Right.
Exactly, but I want to be like I want to be like I want to do like on my free time I also want to like race dirt bikes and four-wheelers and all that.
Alright.
Do what you want to do.
Can't do that either, and I'm like,
No matter what people say, you need to stop listening to those people.
Here's the argument.
Do what you want to do.
Are you gonna make me a sandwich though?
She gonna do it anyways. See, I saw that come. I knew it. Oh, he got some merch. Oh, look at the little chibi. He got the little bandana with the hair swooping down. That's a cute little chibi though. Marcus T, man, I tried to warn you about that stuff. Why are you always so horny, man? Why are you always so horny and sexual? Like, that's probably the reason why your channel got in trouble with them violations. Marcus T, you got to be careful, please, for your fans' sake and for my sake. Like I said, I love your content. Your content is pretty golden. It's must watch. So please, pretty please, be careful with your stuff, man. Like I said, you got to be careful on this app. But Marcus T, well, with the charm once again. A very good looking guy. He's very charming. He's got the style. He's very clean with it. I love the edits. The edits in this video are pretty clean. I especially particularly love the intro with the comic style. Was really clean. But his edits are really improving a lot. So mad respect, mad props to Marcus T on this video. Hopefully it'll survive as long as it possibly can on YouTube. I don't want to jinx it, but hopefully, fingers crossed, because this is a pretty good video. So anyways, Marcus T, get that bag, man. I see you making some bag off these videos. Welcome back, Marcus T. It is good to have you back, and hopefully you can stay for a long time. Hopefully nothing happens with this channel, and you can keep doing your thing, keep on grinding, keep being yourself. You know, I really appreciate you and your existence on YouTube. So anyways, that was my reaction to that video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this reaction. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Please enjoy the rest of your day. And like I said, with the requests, drop them down below in the comment section. Thank you guys so much. Peace.